Are you too busy to make your money work for you? Or you still believe the stock market is the only option for passive income, but you're just tired of those ups and downs? Maybe you thought about real estate, but the idea of managing tenants, chasing rent, or fixing broken toilets just doesn't sound like freedom to you. If any of that sounds familiar, I totally get it. Hi, I'm Mario Pinar, the founder of Ritual Notes, and I started this channel because I've been where you are, looking for a better way to grow wealth, create cash flow, and build something meaningful without sacrificing all my time. Years ago, I discovered something that changed my financial life: mortgage note investing. Aside from owning the properties, I learned how to own the debt and get paid like the bank does. No tenants, no 2 a.m. maintenance calls, no guessing what the market might do next. Just steady, secured monthly income. This YouTube channel is all about sharing that experience with you. Here you'll find simple, straight to the point videos that break down what mortgage notes are, how to invest in them, how to do the due diligence, and how to actually build passive income without being a landlord. And if you're ready to take a deeper dive, I've also put together a free training called How to Become the Bank Through Real Estate Note Investing. It is pre-recorded, which means you can watch it at your own pace on your own time. Here's what you will learn. We broke it down into 7 days. On day 1, it's a full introduction to mortgage note investing, what it is and why it's so powerful. On day 2, we go through the basics, performing versus non-performing notes, and how to find real opportunities. The third session is all about how to do proper due diligence so you protect your money and make wise decisions. Next, how to review legal documents and understand what you're really investing in. On day 5, we come back to what ownership and management actually looks like without the headaches of being a landlord. Day 6 is a full case study walking you through a real deal start to finish. And we close it up on the 7th day with your options to invest alongside us at Ritual Notes and how we can help you to get started. This isn't just about investing, it's about freedom. It's about creating a kind of life where your money works for you, not the other way around. So if you've been searching for something more, something stable, secure, and truly passive, why don't you hit subscribe, explore our videos when you're ready to jump into the free training. Because sometimes the smartest way to invest in real estate is to never own the property at all. Instead, you own the note. And that's how you become the bank. Welcome to Ritual Notes. I'm so glad you're here.